Techno update. Subscribe now.
Oppo F3 Plus Review. Oppo F3 Plus Review. Maximum multimedia. Different from F1 Plus and F1S, which have 5.5-inch screen, Oppo F3 Plus carries 6-inch screen. Obviously, this larger screen will be more enjoyable to be used to watch, NG game, or browsing. Oppo F3 Plus screen panels are not ordinary IPS, but JDI. This display panel is also used on the iPhone. The result, the screen display so feels notched off and as if very attached to the outermost layer of glass on the screen. It's Snapdragon. Oppo F3 Plus comes with Qualcomm chipset, Snapdragon 653 CPU and GPU Adreno 510. SD653 itself is the highest middle-class processor from Qualcomm at this time. This CPU is accompanied by 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage. Performance is satisfactory with an AnTuTu score 91,000 points. Large battery VOOP. This is one of the Oppo F3 Plus features that we like the most. With a powerful 4,000 mAh capacity all day, the battery can also be charged quickly. Charging from empty to full only takes 1 hour 37 minutes with the condition of the smartphone on. In addition to processors and screens, a considerable increase also occurs in the camera sector. Oppo pinned Sony IMX398 sensor 16MP resolution as the main camera. This sensor is able to present sharp images with accurate color saturation. Plus the f1.7 aperture makes it reliably capturing bokeh or low light. And this is the main selling point offered Oppo F3 Plus. Yes, there are two front cameras. One 16MP resolution with 80-degree angle. Another 8MP resolution with 120-degree angle for a busy selfie. What we like, not just the width, the resolution offered is also pure, not interpolation, because the shots are sharp.